Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to create products using the WooCommerce plugin in WordPress. Whether you're starting an online store or adding new items to your existing website, WooCommerce makes it easy to manage your products. So, let's dive right in. First, let's log in to your WordPress dashboard. If you're not sure how to access your WordPress admin page, check out the link in the description below for a detailed video on logging in. Now, let's create our first product. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Products and click on Add New. This will take you to the product creation page. Here, you can start by entering the product title in the title field. Next, add a detailed description of the product in the content area. Be sure to highlight its unique features and benefits. In the Product Data section, you'll find various settings to configure for your product. First, select Simple Product from the Product Data drop-down menu. This is the most common product type, but we'll cover other options in upcoming sections. Now, click on the General tab and set the product's regular price and sale price. This is where you determine how much you want to charge for your product. You can also set the tax status as taxable and tax class as standard. Next, let's talk about the Inventory section. If you want to manage your stock quantity, enter a unique SKU, stock keeping unit, for your product. Check the Stock Management box to reveal additional inventory options. Enter Quantity of product and mark Do Not Allow in Allow Back Orders option. Now, click on the Shipping tab. Enter the weight and dimensions of your product package. If you're handling shipping manually, select No Shipping Class in the Shipping Class field. Moving on to the Linked Products tab. Here, you can add upsells and cross-sells. Upsells are products you recommend as alternatives to the current product, while cross-sells are products customers might be interested in alongside their purchase. Lastly, let's explore the Advance tab. You can add an optional purchase note for customers and even set a specific order for similar products. Don't forget to enable product reviews so customers can rate and provide feedback. Now, we can also add short description, which will be displayed on single product page. Let's make your product visually appealing. Click on Product Image or Product Gallery to upload images of your product. Remember, high-quality images will attract more customers and increase sales. Click on Add Product Image, and it will open another window. You can drag and drop the image from your computer and click on Set Product Image. You can follow the same step to add product gallery images. To organize your products, assign relevant categories and tags. Categories help customers navigate your store, while tags enable them to find specific products using keywords. Once you've entered all the necessary details, it's time to preview and publish your product. Click on Preview to see how it appears on your website. If everything looks good, hit the Publish button to make it live. You can also save the product as draft to publish in future. And there you have it. You've successfully created a product using the WooCommerce plugin in WordPress. Now you can continue adding more products to your online store and start selling. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.